Dolphins are leaving. So the dolphins are leaving, the birds are flying, the sun is kind of a sliver between the clouds. Still not actual sunset. Low battery, which is fine, expected. And pre-sunset is Kennedy and K2. There's someone out there fishing. It's such a tranquil day. I'm surprised there's not more people out on their boats. There's like a 3.5 foot snook under my dock right now. I don't know what the season is for fishing them or catching them, but since I do not cook, I am on a seafood diet, which is I see seafood, but I don't actually catch and cook, not even catch and release, because that's too much trouble, and I don't think I would appreciate somebody hooking something through my big nose just for entertainment, even if they set me free afterwards. But dogs are chilling, and the day is like 76 even right now, very mild. There's some fish down there, but it's not the big snook I was talking about. It's on the other side. Very cloudy on this side. It's actually low clouds, so the sunset's going to get buried by that. But other than that, let's see if we can see some fish. Hi K2. Hi Kennedy. Let's see if we can see that really big snook. I think it's out there by now because, oh, and there's a nice sheephead. Oh, bunch. They just ran just from my pointing at them. Smart fish. There's a small one, snook, I think, hanging out there, right behind the branches. But that's not the one I am talking about. It'll probably come back when I finish the live stream. Oh, did I just hear another dolphin? Anyway, very tranquil day in Tampa Bay or on Tampa Bay after an awesome Super Bowl victory. Really great weather throughout. Such a great day for the region. And of course, it's one of the few Super Bowls I actually watched start to end. Usually I don't watch them all through, but this was like literally a hometown team. So there's one plane, and then there's the other one. Interesting. There. Wow. Wow. Check that out. Traffic in sight, as they would say. Oh, look at that sun that just popped through. Look at that. Looks like a painting, literally like a painting, because it's got so many layers of clouds in front. Oh, look at that picture. I'm on a live stream camera, so it's not going to like... Oh, that's another photograph. Oh, that with an icon would have been like an amazing picture. Wow. The sun looks like a poster for one of those movies. Does anybody remember the movie Tequila Sunrise? That's what it looked like. Look at him watching the fish. This guy is just like waiting for the sign when he can go eat. And there goes the sun. Actually, it's still above the horizon, but look at that. Amazing. I wish I had the Nikon is actually making a live stream video, not a live stream video, a time-lapse video. And if I'd known it would be a sunset like this, I would have brought the other camera with me, because obviously the live stream is not going to do justice to what I'm seeing right now. And when the two seagulls passed in front of it, that was so cool. Oh, look at him. Look at him. Oh, he stopped because he was looking at fish in the water earlier. Nope, that snook is too smart and sensitive. Are those like catfish? Yep, I think so. They're nasty to catch and release. Anyway, there goes the sun. Hope you had a great Super Bowl Sunday. Hope you had a great Monday. Have a great rest of the year and Happy New Year 2022. And I'm only half kidding, because think about how fast it is. Already almost the middle of February. Like literally next week you'll be preparing for Valentine's Day and stuff. So that's how fast this year 2021 is flying by. So stay well, be nice to each other, enjoy a sense of normalcy, and keep in your prayers. Like, love, comment, share, and I will catch you another time, same channel, another day. I hear a plane. I was waiting to see if it's something that I can show you, but oh no, it's a boat. He's going pretty fast, so that's why I could hear the sound. So there you have it. Boating, flying, Air Force and airline, dolphins, dogs, snook, fish, including sheephead, sunset, dusk. There's one, but that's not the one I was talking about. Did I miss anything? Anyway, that's the scene. IMRAN reporting here from Apollo Beach in Tampa Bay, Florida. The Super Bowl winners, and also I think the Lightning and the Rays. I mean, it's a city of winners, I guess. And thank you so much. And oh yeah, and the dogs are saying goodbye. Well, they're not really, because they're waiting to say hi to dinner. And I will see you all again. There's not much of a sunset to end with, so I'll end on this. I'll give the green light to end the evening. Good night.